What is up, guys? And today we are back with another YouTube video. It has been a little while since we've made a gaming video, but I've had a lot of stuff going on. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do one of, I think, the best moves in the game, and that is called the Curry Slide. I'm going to go get my daily reward. It's Wacky Wednesday. I'm going to go get my daily reward real quick, but other than that, I keep like pressing that button. It's so annoying. But other than that, this is gonna be today's video. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. I'm gonna try and put a not a hand cam, but like what am I doing? A controller thing up there, to show you how to do it, and then hopefully you'll know how to do it. Just let me show you real quick. Please work, 2K. Please, 2K. I'm begging you, just work one time. One time, 2K. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go get our daily reward real quick. But please smash that like button and subscribe. I really hope you guys do enjoy. I think I'm gonna start uploading a Minecraft Let's Play series. I mean, I don't know. Comment down below if you want to see that. I mean, if you don't, then, I mean, I honestly, like, I'll just see how it does, and then if it does well, then I'll probably end up uploading more of it. So, yeah, also, I'm 13 now, so that's kind of cool, I guess, you know, whatever. Okay, we're gonna claim our daily reward. What are we gonna get? Hopefully, I've seen people get, like, 15 ABC, that'd be kind of cool, and we get 500 ABC.
Oh my god! Wow!
Wow. You know, we may be able to get our player up to a 99. No, I'm joking. We're not going to be able to get our player anywhere with that VC. But, it's super weird this year. You have to, like, go to, like, the Gatorade training facility. If any of you played in 2K20, you would know that you had, like, your own my court and you could, like, dribble around there. But you have to, like, go here to the Gatorade facility, and you, I mean, it's super cheap. I mean, you could literally do anything and get 50 VC, but it's still kind of stupid how you have to, like, rent your court. What is happening? Okay, you have to, like, rent your court. Also, can 2K please work? Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Why? I'm not even pressing that. That is literally just showing up. So annoying. Okay, we're gonna go into the my courts. I wish I could show you guys my dribble moves, but I have like an 80 ball handle, so I have like basically all the pro dribble moves, which is, I mean, I don't know if you're gonna need all the pro dribble moves. I would recommend having most of the pro dribble moves on. So we're gonna, you have to like rent a court. I'll just rent the court for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever. This video is not gonna be 30 minutes long, but we'll just do that. Can I please show you my freaking attributes? Okay, you know what? It's fine. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. 2K is completely broken because it won't let me. Can you hear my controller? I'm literally trying to press the only thing that is working. Please, 2K. Please. Thank you. Okay, so this is the, if I could do it. Okay, if I could do it right. Gosh, please let me do it. Okay, there you go. That's a Curry Slide. Also, I like doing this combo. It gets you so much space. That was a horrible shot, by the way. It gives you so much space, and it's so easy to do. Like I mess it up sometimes, but it's super easy to do. Okay, so I'm gonna try and put a controller up here. But basically, what you're gonna want to do is all you're basically gonna want to do is have dribble move, like pro dribble moves on, and basically hold your right stick. You don't even have to hold left stick or even RT, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what it's called on PS5. And then that's all you literally have to do. And then so basically right stick, you hold it kind of like diagonally down toward the bottom of the D-pad, kind of, not like the middle, but like kind of like the bottom of the D-pad. And whichever, like, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does if you like perfect it right. It's kind of like down towards like the bottom D-pad thing, if you know what I'm talking about. And then yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then all you have to do to do this other move, it's super simple. It's literally all you have to do is, let me get the ball real quick. All you have to do is, I'm pretty sure you just hold the stick, hold the right stick any way you want it to go. So if you're holding it in your right hand and you want to go left, you just hold it left. So like if you want to go bam, and then you could hit the curry slide, even though I didn't do it right. You can hit the curry slide to the right. So like, let's say you're over here and you're like bam, bam, and then you want to hit curry slide there, which I didn't. I just shot it. But you could literally hit this move from anywhere in the court. Like, literally, look how much space that creates. And then you just, like, green the shot. It's so easy. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more 2K, or if you are interested in that Minecraft series I talked about. So, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.